What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tote. We back with another banger. Today, I got a few questions I'm gonna be asking. A whole bunch of questions, as you can see. Posted on my story Q&A. I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for y'all. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna do it just. But yeah, Q&A. I got a couple questions I see on here that a lot of you may know, a lot of you may not know. But for those who don't, I'm be answering these questions for you. Hold on, let me go. I had to change the camera. Change the camera. But yeah, man, it's a couple questions. First question, let's go ahead and get into it, man. Are you from Atlanta? Born and raised in Atlanta. Went to school on the east side. Went to Tucker at first. Played football there, you feel what I'm saying? Then I transferred to Stevenson, you know, Selma 1. You did. Went to Stevenson. Born and raised in Atlanta. Yeah, you feel what I'm saying? What else y'all got for me? How many cars you had? Which one is your favorite? My first whip, let's say 9th grade, I had a Dodge Avenger. You couldn't tell me nothing. I had a Dodge Avenger. Only one driving in 9th grade. My mom let me whip. When I was in 9th grade, so I was the only freshman whipping. You know how I'm pulling up. But yeah, my second car that I actually paid for, my first whip, my grandma got me, but first whip I actually paid for was a Mustang. You feel what I'm saying? It was a 45th anniversary Mustang. Yeah, man, that motherfucker was suited. You feel what I'm saying? I ended up totaling that. Them motherfuckers be crashing. I don't know, the brake just lag out on you or something. When was that? I had that car for about a year. Then I eventually got another Mustang. It was a Droptop Mustang. That was straight cool. It was cool. Car. Shit, I had about 6-7 cars by the time I was 20. You feel what I'm saying? 2018, 2019, moved to the city. So for like the next 2-3 years, I got trucking everywhere. Then I got my baby 392 Scat Pack. No, 392 Hemi Scat Pack Shaker, the original. Y'all know what's going on. I'm gonna post a picture of it right here. But yeah, that's how I was coming with that one. I had to get rid of it. Cause in Atlanta, you got them cars, you young and turned at times, niggas keep busting my window trying to figure out what I'm doing. I don't do nothing. I promise I don't. But yeah, got that. Was in about 2-3 years, you know, hopped out on the car scene a little, you know, made an appearance for y'all. You feel what I'm saying? And then got rid of that. Now I'm pushing Tesla, pushing cheese. Now I'm pushing Tesla. Somebody said, what's your dream car? Shit, my dream car? I gotta go loud. All black SBJ Lamb, the new one though, cause you know the new one's electric. Man, I'm just going crazy. I gotta go loud. If I didn't go loud, I'll go. If I didn't go loud, I'll go Rolls Royce. What's your greatest accomplishment this year? Yeah, I feel like, if y'all know me, y'all know me. Like 5 years ago, I was like, I'm gonna get a penthouse. And look, I'm in the goddamn penthouse. You feel what I'm saying? So I feel like that's one of my biggest accomplishments this year. I ain't even gonna cap to you. That's a big one, cause if you know, you know. I've been saying something about moving to a penthouse for a minute. So yeah. Another question. How does it feel to be young and accomplish so much? I'm gonna be real with you, bro. It's a lot of people that's like our generation, and it's a lot of people, well, my generation, man, they ain't know nothing, bro. They don't do stuff for themselves, like as far as like life goals, you feel what I'm saying? So with me growing up, it's like I always just like, anything I do, make it make sense, bro. If I'm doing this, what's my goal? If I'm doing that, what's my goal? You feel what I'm saying? I just stay focused, stay grounded on like what's good for me, you feel what I'm saying? I did it at a young age, and it's like some people just don't got the extra motivation or the extra push to do that. So me accomplish that at a young age is like, if I could do it, I know you can, you feel what I'm saying? I know anybody could do it, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah. Let's answer that question. Get right real quick. You know, I just threw this on. Y'all been asking me to do this for a minute, so you know, I just had to get right real quick. You know what I'm saying? What's your next car? This is the hardest decision right now. Everybody keep asking me this question. This is the hardest decision right now. Should I go Trackhawk? Or should I go Cybertruck? I don't know. The thing is, I experienced the Mopar. I experienced the Mopar, hitting lanes and all that, the loud pipes and all that. I experienced all that already, you know what I'm saying? So, but it's a Trackhawk though. Cybertruck, that motherfucker beast. And see, at first, I ain't like, I wasn't into the electric. I wasn't into like the electric wave, but then when I actually started doing research on it and realized how smart that vehicle, and shout out to Elon, I really fuck with Elon. He about to make some money. But yeah, once I actually experienced the Tesla and like that instant torque and all that stuff, and I was like, oh, we gotta go Tesla. I went from no cap, no bullshit, I wouldn't lie to you. I went from spending $80 to $100 every other day on gas, every other day, you feel what I'm saying, to spending, well shit, when I first got my Tesla, I averaged spending what, like $100 a month just for full recharge, you feel what I'm saying? But now I charge it at the penthouse, so I just plug it up, so I don't spend shit. So I feel like you gotta be in a different mindset to actually transform to like Teslas and like learn more about them. You gotta be in a different like mind space, but for sure, it's really between Cybertruck or the Trackhawk. Cybertruck pushing what, 8? They already raced against the Lamb, they already raced against the Hummer. You know what I'm saying? This already smacking shit. And it's bulletproof. You can't go wrong with that. Bulletproof in the motherfucking Teletruck. Can't go wrong with that. You can't. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. Y'all gonna know, but I don't know. You know what I'm saying? What else we got? Update on your Tesla. Update on my Tesla. I don't know what that means, but for right now, I know y'all see the wrap on it. You know, I got a couple parts coming in, my stickers. I'm finna suit it up. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna suit it up just so it can look a little, you know what I'm saying? Look a little sauce on it. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm finna suit it up. You know, right now I got some. I ain't even gonna tell y'all what I got coming. When y'all see it, y'all see it. I ain't even finna, you know, push it down. I ain't even finna push it down, you feel what I'm saying? But when y'all see it, y'all gonna see it, y'all gonna see it. When y'all see it, y'all gonna see it, y'all gonna see it, y'all gonna see it. Inspire you to do YouTube. You keep me motivated. Appreciate that. That's my thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm here to motivate you, motivating you, help motivate me to keep motivation going. You feel what I'm saying? If that makes sense. It makes sense to me. I'm the type of nigga that goddamn, I'll pull up in this, and I'm telling you, nigga, you supposed to be right next to me pulling up in this too. We all gonna be, you feel what I'm saying? I feel like that's how Atlanta is though. You feel what I'm saying? But everybody not like that. Let me get back to the question. You said, what inspired you to do YouTube? Oh, yeah, so what inspired me to do YouTube? Well, really, every time we out in public, people ask, y'all do YouTube? You do YouTube? Mom, y'all need to hop on YouTube? Grandma, y'all need to hop on YouTube? So I guess I'm doing it for y'all. I guess that's what it is. I'm doing it for y'all. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all inspire me to do YouTube. So I'm gonna keep dropping. I'm gonna keep coming back to that. I'm gonna keep doing it for y'all. You feel what I'm saying? Cause that's what I do it for. That's what I do it for. I do it for y'all, man. They say, what other states would you move to and why? That's a good question. I've been to Cali, Colorado. I ain't been in New York, Miami. And compared to all three states I just named, you know what I'm saying? They ain't hitting on Atlanta, bro. It's like, ain't no place like Atlanta. I'm telling y'all, I wouldn't move to Miami. I wouldn't move to Colorado. It's like Atlanta gives you that, you know, that freedom that it's like different because everybody in this motherfucker getting it. You know what I'm saying? For real. Atlanta like one of the top cities for real. So I won't move out of Atlanta, bro. But if I had to choose somewhere else to move, bro, I'll move to Miami. Why? Cause there's a lot of Lamborghinis and shit down there. And if I move to Miami, I'm standing in the goddamn beachside, like looking at the ocean type shit, with my Lamborghini parked in my living room type shit. I be on shit like that. Y'all got some crazy questions, and I ain't even gonna count. I ain't gonna answer some of these. I answer this. Do you have any toxic traits? If so, name them. Is that like relationship toxic traits or real life toxic traits? Cause real life toxic trait I got when I'm in the club and I see a nigga popping bottles, I just gotta pop another bottle. Even though I'm not drinking, I just gotta pop another bottle. I feel like that toxic is. Another toxic trait I got, shit, relationships. I don't know, I ain't no toxic nigga, you know what I'm saying? I feel like no nothing I do when it comes to like relationships, I ain't no toxic nigga, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, on to the next question. Do you plan on having children? Yeah, I want me a daughter, I want me a son, but I'm getting to these ends first so I can be able to give my kids whatever they want. So yeah, I plan on having children. I wanna have 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. Yeah, I want a daughter and a son. Do I want a daughter first or a son first? I don't know. Cause it's like my first child, I can't go too soft. That's why I have a son. I know if I have a daughter, she gonna turn me soft. So I don't know. But yeah, I plan on having children. I plan on doing that. What advice would you give someone that want to be on the same path as you? Be consistent, bro. Consistent is key. You feel what I'm saying? Say, bro, you set a goal, you know what your goal is, bro. Do it, bro. Everybody don't think the same, bro. If that was the case, we'd be like robots. Be consistent, you feel what I'm saying? That's the advice I give, you feel what I'm saying? Where you see yourself in the next 5 years? Shit, bigger penthouse, you know? Kids for sure. I'd most definitely have kids in the next 5 years. I'm just living life like I'm doing now, you know? Just continue living life. Yeah, that's it, really. That's why I see myself in the next 5 years. Do you have any guns? If so, what's your favorite gun? Right now, so I'm gonna do a whole different gun video. Like, I'm gonna do a totally different gun video. So show y'all my guns, let you know what I'm packing right now. My recent purchase, I just got the 545 F&N, the compact one. The compact, whatever you got, it already got the stuff on. You can put the beam in the silencer. But yeah, I just got that one, bro. I fuck with it. You feel what I'm saying? Next on my list, I gotta get the Mini Draco. For sure, I gotta get the Draco. Shit, I ain't gonna tell y'all too much, cause I can't have any walk around like me. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, that's my gun collection. Video for the gun collection is coming soon. I'll make sure I do that one for y'all too. Let's keep this shit going. Can we get a penthouse tour? Yeah, that's coming too, no cap. That's coming too. As y'all can see, I got a little something in here. You know what I'm saying? This is one of the rooms. I can't show y'all the rest of the rooms until the penthouse video. But yeah, for sure, I can do that. I can do that. If you could go back in time, what would you do different? If I could go back in time, like for real, what I'd do different? I don't know. Like as far as like what? Like the world or like me? I create the world like on some different type shit. You feel what I'm saying? But then again, everybody can't do that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody can't do that. But I don't know, that's a good question. I'm gonna remember that question. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna have an answer for that next time. These questions are crazy. Okay, I can answer this. Somebody said, if YouTube stopped today, what would you do? If YouTube stopped today, YouTube gonna stop. YouTube ain't stopping no motion, you know what I'm saying? We still gonna do what we do every day, you know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna do what I do every day, you know what I'm saying? I get money on side of YouTube. YouTube is like, I fuck with the platform, you know what I'm saying? People love watching me, so I'm giving them something to watch. But if YouTube stopped today, what I do? Shoot, I rock with my clothing brand, you feel what I'm saying? Couple more little, I'm a hustler, you feel what I'm saying? I hustle at heart, so it won't stop no motion, you feel what I'm saying? I continue to be the person I am, you feel what I'm saying? Don't nothing change me. This internet, ain't nothing gonna change me. I am who I am. You see me in public, I am who I am. Say what's up, you feel what I'm saying? Good vibes, 24/7. You feel what I'm saying? I think that's it, bro. I ain't answering the rest of these questions, but I think that's it. But yeah, man, that's it. I ain't got no more questions for y'all. Appreciate it for tuning in. Tokyo. I got more stuff coming for you real soon. I got the penthouse tour coming, you feel what I'm saying? I got a lot of stuff coming, man. Appreciate you for checking me out. Big Toke. Yeah.